Okay, today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR patio swing set. So the cushions are all wrapped, which is excellent. Don't have to worry about anything happening to those. And mostly just the frame, not a heck of a lot to it. Just by taking a look at the bolts, we can see about how difficult this thing is going to be. So this shouldn't take too awful long. So it says the first step, we're going to do the top support. It even tells us which ones they are. So this one's going to be level C, this one's going to be level D, and we're going to be using bolts P with nuts Z. So here we got P, and down here is Z. So nice thick bar on here. And we can see on here this is labeled C, so everything is labeled. So we got a little wrench under here, we can use that. I'm just going to use an impact, and we got our Allens up here. And these little acorn nuts, these are actually just plastic caps, so everything that we need is already attached, so can't really mess that up. That is great. I'm going to use this side as the front, so this is where you're going to see the swing from. So I want the bull head sticking on that side. The size 13. And then we're going to put the legs on with Q and Z. So it's showing that A goes in the front, and then B is going to bolt on just like that. I want to put a little pressure on it, so I'm going to stand this up before I tighten that down. So we got poles F and F1, and that is going to bolt together with bolt O, and this one is a 10. And then we got the crossbar E, that is going to attach with R1 on the front, and then we got this eyelet that will attach to that. Back it is going to use R, and that will attach with the lock nut. So you can see this is kind of offset to the back a little bit, so this is going to be in the back. We'll run them both in the back of there. That is bolt S, and it's going to be attached to bar K. And we'll attach the other side the same way. The front is also going to attach with bar K, but it's going to use these eye bolts. So this is using bolt T, so that's going to go through the frame. Then on the other side, we're going to put this nylon spacer, and then a washer and a nut on the other side. And then we're going to use bolt S to attach E1. We got some big heavy-duty springs that are going to tie it all together. So we are almost done. Check out this canopy. So one thing that's pretty interesting about this one is it actually has teeth on it, so you don't have to worry about it sliding on its own. Bolt on at the end. And there are a couple of thumb bolts that you can put on one side if you wish, just to make sure that it's a sweep up and down. So then we got these 4 carabiners, 2 for each side. So in the event that this thing might start swinging in the wind, we can lock those down, and that'll keep the swing in place. Here's the cushions. One thing I really like about it is that you can actually lay down on it just like this. You don't have to put the seat up if you don't want to. So maybe you lock yourself out of the house, you just kind of want to sit and contemplate life for a while. This is going to be the swing to do it on. And pull it up. And we have got one of the nicer looking swings that I have seen. And in the summers, that canopy will make all the difference. That is very nice. I'm actually really impressed with that. Like, I feel like if we were to buy that anywhere else, the exact same thing, it would probably cost at least twice as much. So that is a beautiful patio swing.